Good morning students, class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach your English literature lesson 3. Your topic is how the cat became, and this is its part 3rd. In second part I had discussed that the other creatures of the forest is running after the cat to advise and request the cat to get a job, as the cat was playing violin whole day. From this paragraph I am going to start this time. I hope you all are well and ready with your book open before you to go through the words and lines of the story. Just take care here. Other creatures that were about their daily work in the undergrowth looked up when cat ran past. No one had ever seen cat run before. I had told you that the creatures of the forest is behind the cat to start a job for him. Now when they saw that the cat was running undergrowth, no one had seen the cat running as it is presently before. They thought that cat is up to something. They called to each other, maybe he is going to get a job. When the birds jay, magpie and parrot saw that the cat was running, they thought that the cat is up to something, means the cat is going to do something. He thought, he guessed, birds of the forest guessed that it may be that the cat is going to get a job at last. Deer, wild boar, bear, fret, mongoose, porcupine, and a cloud of birds set off after cat to see where he was going. Now, when the cat started running in the forest, out of the tree, they chased the cat to see where the cat was going. After a great deal of running, they came to the edge of the forest. Now the cat is running and other birds were chasing, and at last they came to the corner of the forest. Edge means, write down here, edge, E-D-G-E, edge means corner. Edge means corner. There they stopped. Now at the corner of the forest, the animals of the forest stopped. As they peered through the leaves, they looked sideways at each other and trembled. Ahead of them, across an open field covered with haycocks, was man's farm. Now you know very well that the animals' place is forest, not a man's place. Among human beings, these animals cannot survive, cannot feel free. So when they saw, peered, write down, peered means looked. When they saw through the leaves, they became worried and afraid also, because next of them there was an open field that was covered with haycocks, and that was a man's farm. But cat was not afraid, as you know that cat lives in our houses also. So, at the place where there was man's farm, cat did not feel fear, but other animals became afraid. They started to tremble. What to do next? He went straight on over the field and up to man's door. Now, cat was not afraid. Straightway he came into the field and at the door of the man. He raised his paw and banged as hard as he could in the middle of the door. Now, reaching to the man's door, the cat started to knock down in the middle of the door with his paws. Man was so surprised to see that at first he just stood, eyes wide, mouth open. No creature ever dared to come on to his field, let alone knock at his door. Cat spoke first. When the cat came to the man's door and knocked the door, the man was surprised because he never had seen any creature to dare to come his field. So he became surprised, stood there with his eyes wide open, mouth wide open because of the fear. Now cat spoke first. I have come for a job, he said. When the cat reached to the door, he told the man that he has come to get a job there. A job? Asked the man, hardly able to believe his ear. When the man heard this sound, to get a job, he could not believe to his ears. Work, said cat. I want to earn my living. Now the cat started to request the man that he has come here to work for his living. Man looked him up and down, then saw his long claws. The man now watched the cat properly, seriously looked up and down to him, and then saw the cat's long claws. You look as if you would make a fine rat catcher, said the man. Now the man thought that this animal can be a good rat catcher, so he told that he may do this work. Cat was surprised to hear that. Now the cat was surprised that the man told him that he would make a fine rat catcher to him. He wondered what it was about him that made him look like a rat catcher. Now, when the man told the cat that he would be able to be a rat catcher, then the cat started to think what is about him that made him like that. Still, he was not going to miss the chance of a job. This time, as several animals and birds had requested to get a job to him, so he did not want to miss this opportunity presently. So he stuck out his chest and said, what he said? Been doing it for years. Now the cat wanted to know that for years can he do this work? Well, then I have a job for you, said man. My farm is swarming with rats and mice. There are in my haystacks. They are in my corn stacks, and they are all over in the pantry. Now man became angry and told him that there is a job for him. He told that his farm is filled with rats and mice. There are rats and mice in hay stacks also, corn stacks also, and all over in the pantry. Means a store of food. There are rats and mice everywhere. So the cat is going to get a job now, but what will happen next, you will learn in next video. Presently till here, thank you.